Why GameStop pulling back down? We got many factors and many reasons, but the main one is because of Bitcoins. We have a good news and bad news here. The good news is we bought, or GameStop bought almost half a billion worth of Bitcoin at the right, or if you want to rephrase it, maybe at the wrong time, because let me just show you where Bitcoin at right now is pulling back around the 104. I don't know exactly when they bought Bitcoin, maybe before or after, but before the price was around the 111, right now is 104. But we're gonna discuss Bitcoin today. Why is a good thing that we have a pullback? Because we got the earnings coming up in just 2 days. So we have packed action, fundamental right before the earnings. Bitcoin, we got the earnings coming up after hours on Tuesday. We got a lot of things going on for Bitcoin. So we should watch Bitcoin for the next week and or GameStop for the next week, and as well Bitcoin to confirm where the price will go for GameStop, and of course AMC because it's pulling back with GameStop, even though we don't have the same fundamental, but the technicals look exactly the same. So in today's video, guys, we have to discuss the game plan, where the price will go before the earnings and after the earnings, and if we push back up, where the short seller will cover next time. So let's dive deeper. Hit the like and subscribe because we always go live. We're going to discuss GameStop, of course, and AMC live tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open. If you want to see the action, then you should come early tomorrow before the market open, and before that on our Discord and Bitcoin. So where the price will go, guys, for GameStop? As we said, we have a huge purchase for GameStop, the first purchase for Bitcoin, and we pulled back after this. From the 37, we went until almost the 28, and we reversed from there. So this is a good thing. Why is a good thing? I'm not, or I'm not like pessimistic here, or I want GameStop to go down. Just hear me out here. It's a good thing because before the earnings, usually the market maker want to buy a cheaper price for GameStop or whatever the case for other stocks. Pulling back is good because we got a good entry for GameStop. If we have a good earnings, of course, we're gonna have a reversal. Let us go just very quick for Bitcoin because we might have the same trend or the same behavior for Bitcoin as GameStop, because Bitcoin right now is getting near a critical zone, for my opinion, over the 100K or 101. So this is the critical zone for Bitcoin to hold in the coming days for a reversal. So as long as we hold here, guys, over the 100K, we're gonna have a reversal and maybe go toward the 200K before the end of this year. This is my target, and everybody target psychological level, for my opinion, for Bitcoin. So now, as you can see here, we have a huge reversal for Bitcoin from the 74 until here, almost 50%. So this is normal that we have a bit of reversal right now around the 100K. So if we have the 100K for Bitcoin, is mean we're gonna have a reversal, and this would be really great for GameStop to reverse as well and go higher. So just watch for Bitcoin just in case if you wonder what's gonna happen for GameStop, even if we have a good earnings. If Bitcoin held the 100K, would be a really great indicator that GameStop will hold the current support, which is the 2571. For my opinion, this is the most important support for GameStop to hold if we want to confirm that the momentum of the bullish buyers or traders is still there. Because if we broke there, this support after the earnings, yeah, I'm gonna confirm you guys that the short seller won the game, and we're gonna go back again toward the 20. However, in the meantime, before the earnings and before even the market open for tomorrow on Monday, if we still continue to consolidate over the 2570, even if we have a pullback a little bit for GameStop around like 10% before the earnings before Tuesday, not bad. As long as we hold the 2570, we're gonna have a reversal. The next time we're gonna have the test for the 37 will be a game on for GameStop. Let me just show you how much we should do before the earnings. Yeah, we pulled back almost 24%, guys, for GameStop before the earnings. So we need at least another 25% for a squeeze. After that, we're gonna have a major jump for GameStop. We're gonna discuss after we check AMC first. AMC doing fantastically good because we have a pullback right now near the support, which is the $3.12. The same thing for GameStop, guys. We have a huge jump for AMC, almost 67%. So now it's pulling back to retest the support around the $3.12. So we have between the $3.12 and the $4.12, which is $1 range for AMC to go up and down, is not confirmed. Between this range, we don't have a confirmation for a buyer or a seller, just balance between the buyers and sellers. Once we break the $4.11, we have a game on toward the 462, as we said before, 555, and the ultimate target, for my opinion, if we really squeeze, we might do almost 100% around or below the $7. For GameStop, on the other hand, we have a target first. After we break the 37, we might do 26% after we break the 37, around the 47, then the 63, and the ultimate target is 100%. So AMC and GameStop have potential of 100%. For GameStop is around the $80. As long as we hold, as we said, guys, the 2570, just put alert on this level because it's pretty critical, for my opinion, before the earnings, because this level, if we held it before the earnings, it's still good. Even if we don't break the 37, even if we have this reaction going up a bit until the 37 and consolidate here after the earnings, still good. As long as we hold in a big picture. I'm not talking about the smaller picture. In the big picture, the 25 here is a critical zone because this is where we broke this trend, guys, from the bearish trend. So we need to hold over it to confirm that the buyer is still holding. And after that, after breaking the 37 or 37.50, this will be a confirmation for another squeeze, another pump up, and another rally for GameStop to go higher. And this will be even perfect if GameStop hold the 100K. So we see, guys, let us do a little recap right now. We have Bitcoin have to hold over the 100. We have the earnings should be really good for GameStop. In order to break the 37, we need to hold the 25, this support, to confirm that the buy is still holding. So we got many factors that actually affect the squeeze the next time. Not just one, we have many of them. If we have all the factors fit at the right time, at the right place, we got our squeeze. So you see how rare the squeeze is. It's like a rainbow or rainbow cloud that I saw in Finland last time. Is pretty rare to see because there's a lot of factors come to play in order to see this kind of event. The same with squeeze for GameStop, especially right now, because right now, as we discussed before, is not meme stock play, but Bitcoin play instead. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open. Thank you for watching and have a nice weekend.